These are the parking garage elevators at the Westin Hotel in downtown Pittsburgh. Schindler Haughton P2. Here we go. Oh, these are fast. Epic motors. Classic leveling. 3. Here we go. Wow. Here in 3. Watch the leveling again. Switch down to L. We'll switch cars. I love these. Set this one down. And here's this one. We'll close our door and we'll get a cab before going down. Very nice elevators. Look in the ceiling, who do you see? High. Here are fixtures. Type H, hands-free 8-code line phone. It's a King Street, 3,500 pounds. P2. Going up?
Yes.
What floor?
Lobby.
Lobby?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is this the lobby?
It's the lobby.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too, thank you.
We're gonna go up 3. Here we go. Very nice elevators. And my very first Schindler Haughtons in a long time.
Nice.
Love the video up here actually. Classic leveling. That's it.